guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm giving you a front haul closet clean out, and look at this place. I have everything in here from spring, summer, winter, and fall. We have dressers, jerseys, furry vests, raincoats, and big one-piece snowsuits, and today I am getting it all clean. On the top shelf, there is a big bin full of winter stuff. There's a Chris's tackle box as well as a fire extinguisher, and down below, as you can see, it is just a total disaster. I have boots in here that I know do not fit the kids, ones that I know don't fit Andrew, and I don't know why I keep it, but I do. But today I am getting rid of it. So the majority of this stuff is used and abused, and it's going to go right into the trash. But whatever I can salvage and whatever in good condition, I am going to put aside so that it can be donated, of course, because I like to donate as much stuff as I can in my house because there's always somebody out there that can use it. So this is what I'm doing today, guys. This a front haul, a closet cleanup, a turn up the music. I got some good beats for you, and let's get guys, this place looks so clean, and it's another chore checked off my to-do list. As well as the closet, I also got the front hall clean, but look at this place. It is so clean. I think I donated about 3 or 4 pairs of shoes, and everything else just went straight into the trash. I have some shoes up there that we won't use, sandals, everything ready for Christmas, all of our boots down, not Christmas, winter weather. I'm getting ahead of myself. These